रोमांस, कॉमेडी और ट्विस्ट से भरपूर फिल्म सनी संस्कारी की तुलसी कुमारी का मजेदार ट्रेलर रिलीज हो गया है, जिसमें जानवी कपूर, वरुण धवन, सानिया मल्होत्रा और रोहित सराफ के स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर सबके दिल जीत रहे हैं। ट्रेलर को देखने के बाद फैंस उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि शशांक खेतान की अगली फिल्म में पार्टनर स्वैप जैसा कॉन्सेप्ट देखने को मिल सकता है। हाल ही में इस फिल्म की स्टारकास्ट ने मीडिया से खास बातचीत की और अपनी फिल्म को लेकर फैंस के साथ कुछ अपडेट्स भी शेयर किए।
So the film has, like, it's a festival, it's a marriage. There are बहुत मेहंदी होती है, संगीत होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. So according to the screenplay, things are moving. You know, तो ये बिजुरिया जहाँ पिक्चर में आती है, according to the screenplay, we needed this part. Then Panwadi comes somewhere. We have another song, Ish Manzoor. We have a love song. So बहुत गाने हैं वहाँ पे. In fact, I have rehearsal videos with Rohit and Sania doing.
प्रूफ दे दे भाई बाहर.
हाँ, मेरे को देना ही पड़ेगा.
क्यों कटवाया तुमने इनका डांसिंग?
क्या है यार रोहित, यही जाएगा. But I have to tell you all one thing genuinely, not because Rohit is here. He's been such a wonderful person to work with. He's such a team player. He cares about things which are not only related to him, and he's just so giving in a scene. And I've had a lot of scenes. Actually, I think I have more scenes with you than Janvi.
Yeah, we have the most.
We have more scenes.
What are you saying? I have more scenes with you.
I have the most scenes.
How can you forget?
You all will be shocked when you see the final edit.
ये लोग खुश हो जा रहे हैं, इनको पता ही नहीं है.
Sania, I mean, what to say? I've been a fan of hers since a long time. Since I saw I'm acting like she's here, but she is. Since she did Dangal, I thought she's an unbelievable actor, and I want to work lots more with her. And I think she's someone who's just like a natural talent. You know, very few of these come through. And she's one of them. She's just amazing.
बहुत सिंपल रीजन था, हमें कैची टाइटल चाहिए था. कहानी दो किरदारों के बारे में है, और जैसा कि है कि अब आप पूछेंगे कि जेम्स बॉन्ड का नाम जेम्स बॉन्ड क्यों है, क्योंकि इट्स अ फन नेम, इट्स अ कैची नेम. आई थिंक दैट वाज द आइडिया. इट काइंड ऑफ कन्वेड द स्टोरी वेरी वेल ऑफ कि ये दो किरदारों की एक लव स्टोरी है, उनके बारे में है, साथ में फैमिली है, एंटरटेनर है. तो और इसमें ज़्यादा हमने ऐसा कोई डीप सोच नहीं था. It was just to highlight the characters and have fun with them.
On this film, of course, like he said, Dharma's like family and they take care of all of us so much, not just us, but even our entire team. I have to say one thing though, he is so overcognizant of all of these expenses. आपने पंवाड़ी गाना देखा ही होगा ना, and I think that was our biggest song, our biggest set. So before every shot, Varun would come up to each of us and say, पता है कितना डाला है इस गाने में? पता है कितनी की set है? Now kill it. तो ये pressure में हम नाच रहे थे पूरे दिन. तो हाँ, that's how responsible he is, and he's inculcated that in us also now through this song. I don't know what the technicalities or the legalities of how to go about that is, but I know when I see even right now on social media how there are so many AI images against my will being circulated by mainstream media portals as legitimate images, and I think maybe me and you can tell that it's AI, but the common man will think हाँ ये तो ये पहन के पहुंच गई, ये तो इसके which is, so I don't know what the protocol is.
There's no AI in this film, na Shashank? In this film, there's no AI.
नहीं बस इसमें भी AI का तो बजट अलग ही हो जाएगा. I've been blessed to work with good people. We all have to collectively take the onus. I think by pointing fingers at each other, we are dividing ourselves further. किसी एक प्रोड्यूसर की गलती नहीं है, किसी एक राइटर की गलती नहीं है, किसी एक डायरेक्टर की गलती नहीं है.
System ऐसे होगा.
I think if we all collectively come together and say, hey, I got your back, you got my back, I think we need to preserve the integrity of our industry. I think by talking too much negative about our industry, we are opening ourselves to more criticism and making ourselves soft targets. We need to protect whatever the problems we also have. We need to be behind closed doors and solve it. It's like a marriage, right? When you're a marriage, you don't want to wash your dirty linen in public. Similarly here, I feel if we can all sit together, I'm sure we can solve things. We don't need to point fingers at each other.